Talk your name make you feel small, but if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know, but peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You know love the Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. Oh, how many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true.
When love is true. Forgive, forgive, forgive.
Love your neighbor like say now you. Give respect, make your heart stay true. Forgiveness, know me, you weak. Now strength for those with no retreat. Sometimes the wound go deep. You cry, you pay, you know feel sleep. But if you let God take control, joy go fill your heart and soul.
Yes, my brother, my sister, forgiveness no easy.
But if you hold on to anger, you just change your whole spirit and go. Oh, love your neighbor like say you love yourself.
Love you, love you.
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it live?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go forgive it?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true. When love is true. Forgiveness go free your heart.
Love go heal your wound.
No revenge, run away.
Just peace, just grace.
Cause if you love God,
you must love man.
70 times 70. Baba cases.
Forgive. Forgive. Forgive.
Now, yeah, Baba K again. People go wrong, people go do you bad, but still love them. Cause the good book talk 72 times 7. Forgive. People go always do you wrong. Talk your name make you feel small, but if you want live long, you must let go. Forgive on the pain go heavy, I know, but peace go come if you let it go. No carry bitterness for soul. Love your neighbor, that's the goal. If you say you love God, but you hate your brother, then you lie to yourself. You know love the Father. How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go let it leave?
How many times I go let it leave?
Love your neighbor as yourself. First love yourself, then love yourself again. Oh, how many times I go forgive?
How many times I go forgive?
How many times I go still believe?
How many times I go still believe?
It's easy talk but hard to do. But peace goes sweet when love is true.
When love is true. Forgive, forgive.
Good morning, everybody. What's good, everyone? I hope you guys had a great weekend. All right, so give me a second, guys. All right, guys. All right, so we're gonna start off with gold here. We got this previous monthly candle high right here. We're gonna start off with that. Of course, gold is still bullish overall. Looks like gold is not volatile anymore. Got previous monthly candle low here. Let's take a look at the weekly. We got our previous weekly candle at 44.29. Then we got our previous weekly candle high at 51.11.7. All right, so that's all we need from the monthly and weekly time frame. Now we go over to the daily, see what we're working with here. Previous daily candle high, that's the low. And we got our previous daily candle high right there. All right, for our time frame, see what we're working with here. All right, so on the 4-hour, we already broke and close above the previous daily candle high. So we don't need that. Don't need that anymore. Look at what we have here on the 4-hour. Okay, 4-hour, this low came off this 4-hour bounce. 4-hour demand bounce. Right. Well, that's all we need on the 4 hours of right now, except for this 4-hour supply right here that we've not tapped yet. Actually, we can use the swing high right here. Yeah. 1 hour. Now, 1 hour, we can see this range clearly. So we are still in a range, and this bounce, this swing high of this range, pretty much the previous weekly candle high, came off of that 1 hour supply right here to the left. So that's our swing high right here, the previous weekly candle high. That's our swing high. And here on the 1 hour, we have been ranging between this low here at 49.88.9, minor range low, and of course this high right here, other minor high as well. Okay, so now this high rejected this supply multiple times. Now, this range that we're in right now, all we need to do right now is to look at, okay, once we created this high here, right, did this high break a low, right, that created that high? Now, if we take a look at that high, the move started from this previous weekly candle low at 44.23, and we had our first continuation on the 1 hour right over here. That's our first continuation. Now, once we got to that first continuation, we failed to break and close above it, below it, right? Since we failed to close below it, we did not continue down. Now, not only did we fail to close below it, we also had a BOS right here, a BOS right here as well. Now, this minor high right here, need to ask ourselves 5045.3. Do we have a break of structure above 5045? Let me move this supply. So do we have a break of structure above 5045? We did this one candle, but what happened after that candle? We pretty much started ranging. All right, so we do not have a clean closure above that supply, above that high. So I'm gonna keep this supply right here. All right, and then what's that high that I had? I deleted. I must have deleted it. Okay, so keep this here. All right. So now we go to the 30-minute here, see what's going on here. So we can see the range clearly right now. Now looking at gold at this range between 5069 and 4988, I am not interested in trading it as of right now. I would just prefer to see a breakout here, and then we can talk about looking for a setup. But as of right now, I'm going to stay away from this range. All right, so look at this on the 15-minute, pretty much the same. Now on the 15-minute, and then of course on the 5, in this range though, if we can get a minor break of structure, right? The minor break of structure is pretty much either going to be above 5068 or 4988. Now, also another break of structure that we can use is in between this range. Do we have a break of structure to the upside or do we have a break of structure to the downside? And here on the 15-minute, I can see that, okay, we broke this low right here, this first low at 5028, the minor low in between this range, and also 5016. Right, we broke it on the 15. I don't really like the break of structure here on the 30-minute, but we did break it, and of course we broke 5028. Right, so we'll see how we react to this supply here again. So we're just gonna keep watching gold here. Right, and Q, see what happens once NYSE opens. Oh, well, still volatile. 300. No, it's not as volatile as it was last week. Hmm. Oh, damn, this thing is something quick. This range here is so terrible, so disgusting. Mm, mm, mm. Didn't realize I was on mute. Apologies. Can't trade. I can't trade gold on this account, so trading it on another one. Mm, Q. Yeah, I can trade in Q, but I can't trade gold. All right. This is gonna be a crazy rejection if this thing rejects from here. I mean, if it rejects like this, I do want it to reject, and the way it's reacting right now, I do like it. But once it closes, I want it to continue down before we actually do push up. Yeah, come on down. Yeah. Of course, good got more volatile because NYSC just opened. Looking 350. This is not a bad rejection. We did not close below this minor low here as of right now. Still gotta wait though. Mm. We are looking at like 350 ticks here for the stop loss if gold does fall here. What is going on? Oh, connection is unstable. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Possible buys an NQ. 15-minute about to close an NQ here. I doubt if gold is going to fall anymore since we did not reject pretty much this supply here again. Yeah, I think gold is going to continue higher here. So we're just going to have to wait. So we'll see. As of right now, it is looking like we might be able to take NQ. Let's see if this thing pulls back again. So if we do get a pullback here on NQ to this 15-minute, I will be willing to take a buy here. Now, usually I would not, take a buy from this demand, but the reason why I am willing to take a buy, even though this low right over here, this high here, we've not taken it out just yet. Now, what's giving me the confidence to look to take these buys is, see this high right here? You have three lows, right? You have low here, you got a low here, and you got a low here. So you get the origination of this bullish move down here, right? Created high, we created a continuation here, another continuation here. Now, the first continuation we had, we did not close below it, and then again, price came down and grabbed the major low of this move to the upside. So, for that reason, even though we've not closed above this high here, if we come down and reject this 15-minute demand here, I will be willing to take the buys. And if it breaks, then we're just gonna keep waiting here. I stayed away from the buys because I don't like rejections like this. When you have a rejection candle, but that rejection candle has a long bottom wick like this, there is a chance price could actually feel it come all the way down, grab this candle bottom wick again, but not close below, and then continue to the upside. Right, so that's why I didn't jump in that buys earlier. So I'd rather wait for what I'm waiting for right now, and hopefully NQ rewards the patience. I don't know what's going on with gold, man. My gaming chair broke last night. Don't think about that. Now I gotta buy another one. Do, do, do. Uh, just use this 5-minute demand right here. Uh, Still got enough time here. We got a lot of time. See if we can get it by here from that 15-minute demand right there. I'll explain why I'm looking for buys now in this range. I do believe I explained what should happen if we're looking to take sales here, but what I was expecting to happen did not happen, and now this is what I see. Now we all agree that we're in this range, right? And previously we had this minor BOS here, and I did talk about the fact that I don't really like this BOS that we had right there, even though it is there. However, on the 30-minute though, it's not a good closure. 1 hour, the same thing, the same thing. Now we have this 5-minute demand right here. Okay, that is where we rejected previously, which is pretty much the swing low of this range, right? That's pretty much the swing low of this range. Now, if we go back to the 15-minute, look at what happened here. Now, this is the origination of this move to the downside, low, high, low, high, low, high. Now, once we created this lower high here, because this high that created this low had a minor BOS. Now we went back up to created a high, minor high. We came down, created a low. Now, if this low right here had failed to break and close above this minor high, then we should have continued down. But since we have a minor breakup structure here to the upside, and we've not breaking any major low to the downside here, if we come back to this 15-minute demand, I'm taking buys in this range and expect that we are going to break and close above this high. So that will be the setup I'll be looking for on gold right now. Actually, we can, okay, I gotta wait until this 30-minute candle closes. See what happens if it closes, then we can use the 30-minute demand. Right. But the demand we can use in this range also is going to be this 30-minute demand right here. All right. So 15 did not close above the high. Hey, FPL, right? What are you doing? I'm definitely gonna keep waiting on this 5-minute demand. The 15 did not close above, at least not yet. I need this to at least come back down to the 5. That's pretty much waiting for this 30-minute candle to close, and we can use this 30-minute demand here. I would say go through that. He should give one more pullback in this range here because this range is ugly. He should give one more pullback before it actually breaks this swing high of this range. Just to fake in the sellers. Except if gold wants to be kind today, it might just keep going. Mhm. Mhm. All right, so all right, 30-minute closed here. Go might now pull back. Right, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys. I'll be right back while we're waiting for NQ here. As of right now, that's the asset we can wait for. Oh no, we'll see what happens with gold as well. So I'll be right back. Oh, before I go, NQ is currently reacting to of course the 30-minute demand, but this 30-minute demand did not close above this previous minor high, and you have long top wick, long bottom wick. I do not like candles like this. Use as demand. I'd rather wait for this 5-minute here. Looks like I can't go just yet. Okay, I gotta go. The longer I wait, I gotta go. right, I'm back, guys. It's like NQ didn't tap that demand. We even have low volume right now. Mm. At this point, I'm expecting it. Not. I doubt if NQ is going to pull back anymore at this point. Yeah. You shot NQ 25, 25, 139 and 3 point. Okay, I hope your shot works out for you. Yeah, doubt if NQ is going to pull back here for us to freaking take buys. But it should head to this 30-minute supply area at least. Mm. Ah, damn you, NQ. Oh, Zoom. I posted a video on WAP. So whenever you guys get a chance, you can look at it. The video was just me back testing NQ. That was it. All right, Didi. Yeah, how we react to this 5 minute demand here. This 5 minute demand here, of course, broke this high, broke it on the 15 minute as well. So this thing can just tap the 15 minute and continue higher, but I don't trade like that. Mm-mm. Come on now, NQ, you don't do it a second time. Been close above this minor high right here. So before we push up, should at least come back down to this 5-minute demand. Been close above it on the 15. Well, I guess NQ is just doing its thing today. Ah. Alright guys, neither NQ nor Gold wants to give us a setup here. Yeah, NQ's been now breaking above the previous candle, so um you're a new trader, can I show you? Well, all you gotta do is to keep watching. All you gotta do is to keep watching, or you fast track your process by joining us in Discord private mentorship. Or you can keep watching. If NQ does not have this 5-minute demand, I'm not taking anything. If he wants to go, she can go. I ain't chasing you. You're gonna come down to the zone that I want. It's either you come there or you don't. Mm, all right. Trading NQ is different, or your forex for you guys that trade forex traders. NQ is pretty much what you guys would call indices. So based on my experience, as long as you trade it, so my time zone is CST. So for me, that means I do believe I can trade it up until 11 a.m. CST, pretty much right before NY Traders goes to lunch at 12 p.m. EST. But for me personally, do I want to freaking see that my freaking computer screen staring at it for freaking 3 hours because I'm looking for a setup? Nah. So what I'm trying to say here is, as long as I can get it set up before 11 a.m. CST, my time zone, I will take it. After 11 a.m., I'm not touching NQ, YM. Ah, look at gold. It's breaking out now. Man. So neither good or NQ likes us today because we could have pulled back to this 30-minute demand here, but they don't want to. Rejected the 1 hour demand instead. So this 1 hour demand right here, that's where we tap. If we go down to the lower time frame here, tap the 1 hour demand. Just rejecting zones that makes no sense. Even NQ is doing the same. Like rejecting their first 30-minute demand. No, they didn't even tap the 30-minute demand either. Okay, we did. So we tapped the 30-minute demand instead, which that 30-minute demand is not even, it's not even nothing to write home about. I don't like that 30-minute demand. Even the 15, like for me personally, like if we have a demand set up like this, right? So if this 15-minute demand right here, pretty much this low did not break that high, then I'm not going to use it. Right? That's why I was waiting for this 15, and to make matters worse, we rejected the 30-minute demand. That's not a good demand at all, but it held. Now again, we go back to the 15 here, right? This low 5-minute demand. Oh man, my internet is slow today. All right, here we go. However, this 5-minute demand here, it's the strongest demand here because it broke that demand easily. I mean, it broke this high, and of course, it broke this high easily. So there's no setup for me today. So guys, I am just going to call it. There's no trade for me today. So we'll see what happens during Asia session. Zoom moving forward. I'm still contemplating either we should start Asia session an hour earlier, since we start at 8 a.m. I mean 8 p.m. CST. We might start at 7 p.m. CST. I don't know. Those of you that are outside the US, I don't know what time that's going to be for you. But I might start at 7 p.m. today. And if I do, that will be start time moving forward. All right. I just want to let you guys know that I was going to say that over the weekend, but I was not feeling too good this weekend. So, Zoom, see you guys doing Asia session tonight. I'm going to call it. YouTube, I'll see you guys again tomorrow. And those of you that wants to be part of the mentorship, you do. I will see you guys as well during Asia session tonight. All right. Hopefully we'll catch a setup then. So see you guys tomorrow, YouTube. I appreciate you. God bless. I'm out. Peace. No FPLI, no, yeah, no setups now. No setup. NQ did not tap the zone I wanted, so I'm not gonna chase it. NQ, I mean, gold, the same thing, expecting us to tap this 30-minute demand before we break this high. But we didn't tap it, so there's nothing I can do. Thank you for the subs, guys. There's nothing I can do, so on to the next. So see you guys again tomorrow. God bless. I'm out.